A couple of airdrops to claim as well as many information to talk about. So we jump onto the laptop, and the first thing is about Sanctum. Just a new update just came out, which is the Quest 4 has ended over on Sanctum, and you will be rewarded with a multiplier that will go live for 24 hours on Wednesday, 22nd of May at 12 p.m. So if you are in Sanctum, it is for the Drifties, the D Soul, the H Soul, the Super Festy, the Super Soul, and the Volti, the B-Soul. So if you're on Sanctum and you do own any of this one that we just mentioned, you will be having a multiplier. If you have not yet joined Sanctum, make sure to join through the link below. And it is very simple airdrop on Solana. Simply swap your Solana for the paired Solana token from the Wonderland NFT that you kind of want to receive, for example, the Bonky, etc. You will receive points, and with the points you will be rewarded an airdrop. Simple as that. You can swap it back anytime you want, for example, from Solana to Infinity. Then you can withdraw from Infinity to Solana anytime you want. So do not worry about it. It is a very nice airdrop, and it's giving out rewards on Wednesday, as well as this Friday. There will be another 2x experience on 4 of the Sanctum's Wonderland pet. As we see over here, is for the Borrow LST, which gives 2x experience against your Solana or any other token on Rain.fi. You can farm droplets when borrowing on Rain.fi. You can farm orbs as Switchboard is Oracle on Rain.fi. And you can farm Sanctum Wonderland and get 2x the experience points. So very, very nice. We got a week full of experience point boost for the Sanctum and the Solana community. Following up, we got a new quest over on the Starknet. Now, we did see this a while back, but there is a new quest, and there is a 500 USDC availability for questers who invest in the Nibura DeFi pot over here. And the quest is very much easy. Now, I think that Starknet has been abandoned as there is only 17 participants in it, but you got to answer a quiz, which is very simple. There's only 3 questions to it, and I cannot show you anymore. Oh no, actually, I can show you the quiz right here. Oh no, I cannot show you the quiz, okay? Then we have the retweet the quest thread, so simply retweet the token. Invest in the Nibura DeFi pot, so you do need to go and do an investment. As we see over here, if we click over it, simply click on verify, and then you do need to invest on the part that it does tell you to, and join the Nibura Discord. As we see over here, you can put your DAI, so stablecoin to good use, with Nibura's DAI strategy, and the top yields with Nibura's Omnichain one-click yield strategy. So if you want to go and do it, if you're still a believer of the Starknet and all of their ecosystem, make sure to go and follow up on it. Next up, this is an update. It's an old airdrop, but it's not the one that we're talking about claiming. This could be the third one of the video, but I didn't consider it. Just if you haven't even checked, if you never looked at it, it is 1 month for you to go and claim your Starknet airdrop with Urgent X. If you have utilized it, if you had received it, or if you just completely missed it, make sure to go and double check. Now, Starknet is going down. I don't know, what's your thought? Let me know down in the comments below what's your thought on Starknet. Is it a good investment? Is it a bad investment? Is it something that you're looking forward to? So the total claim token, it's already been claimed, but as we see over here, there is approximately 100 million Stark token that have not been claimed yet. And if you use one of those RhinoFi 8 times before June 1st, 2022, you are eligible. Simply go on your Argent wallet as well if you want to, and you have the account over here with all of your tokens down here. You can have the Stark airdrop is now live. You can also go and check it through here. Following up, we got a very important Sanctum Infinity is now integrated with the Jupiter routing. And what does this mean? Well, you can swap directly over on Jupiter, which means that you can actually farm 2 or 3 airdrop in one go by doing this. We can see that the Sanctum's INF is a basket of LSTs used to provide liquidity between various LSTs to bootstrap the infinite LST world and earn trading fees without giving up on the staking yields. Now, the Sanctum Infinity is integrated into the Jupiter routing. The Sanctum Infinity is what we saw over here on the deposit over for Sanctum from Solana to Infinity. Following up, we got the swapping from one LST to another over on the Jupiter.aggregator website. Now taps into the Infinity liquidity, providing better rates for swaps and increasing the trading fees for INF. And we can go and see it over here as they showcase it in the video already, that we can go and follow up as well. Now watch it from the beginning. You can swap anything over on the Jupiter Solana ecosystem, from the Juicy Soul to the Jupiter Soul to anything related also to the Sanctum Infinity LSP, which is very, very nice to see. As we see, super easy to do back in and forth. So very, very nice. And you can see it in action also if you go over to the trading section of the Jupiter, and you can go and swap everything from Solana to Jupiter Sol, for example, Solana. And this is, by the way, farming the Jupiter Season 2 airdrop. It's very simple. What I should recommend you to do is to farm Solana to Jupiter to Solana Jupiter, which is another of their coin over here. If we go to the Jupiter Solana over here, it's one of their new coin that I would suggest you to go and take it, to go and farm it, and to go and do swaps. It is kind of a lost situation with a little bit of a percentage in loss when you go and do this one. Absolutely, yes. It is a little bit more with the fees. I don't know why it's very, very disequal with the fees, but what I recommend you to do is to utilize it and go and then do, for example, from the Jupiter Solana all the way to the Jupiter token itself, so you have more interaction with the contract and everything that you need to then go back to the Jupiter itself. But with this possibility, you have the possibility to farm the Sanctum airdrop in case, aside from the point system, which we did talk about, they do ask you for volume, they do ask you for swaps, they do ask you for transaction. This is a good way now with the Jupiter aggregator over here that the change that they've made, the possibility to go and farm this to airdrop. It is very, very nice. Following up, we also have a very nice update over on the bridge, which they have integrated. The Gnosis chain is now live over on their platform. It is one of the first Ethereum sidechains facilitating low-cost blockchain operation by pulling into the D-Bridge LAAS. Gnosis is instantly compatible with every blockchain ecosystem supported by D-Bridge. So I do suggest you go and earn the D-Bridge airdrop over here. We are coming to an end. I do believe that by the end of May, maximum by the end of June, this airdrop is done. So make sure to go and earn your points. I did collect a lot of points. I was also able to receive a couple of points from the referral bonus. If you wish to support me through the link down below, thank you very much for it. It doesn't cost you anything. There's nothing for you to lose on it. If you do support me, thank you very much for it. Following up, we got the NLK airdrop eco 1. It's able to be claimed right now, so make sure I will leave you the link down below. Those eligible for our previous new link airdrop, it's possibility to go and claim. Now there is a little bit of a backlash in terms of what you had to do to go and earn the project. We see here that people with running nodes for more than 3 months are not even eligible for this airdrop. So let me know in the comments down below if you were able to go and receive it, or if you were not able to go and receive it. I was just looking at this Jupiter swap. It didn't work out, so let me go and send it back to the Jupiter possibility over, sorry, to the Solana token. So we got, as you see here, by the way, we did swap 6 Solana. We are receiving back 5.999. So the minimal fees, the transaction fees, the cost is very, very little and very, very minimal. But following up, this is the page for the new link airdrop. As we did talk about it, simply go and connect your wallet and find out whether you're eligible or not. I personally am not eligible for this, as I didn't even participate ever for this. But here we got 0. It's not bad for 3 months of nodes, so they did run nodes. And people just didn't receive the airdrop. But let me know down in the comments below what's your situation with it. Following up, we got a update over on the protocol update, which is the Over protocol update. Has introduced the Nether's NFTs, will serve as a crucial pillar for the future expansion of the Over ecosystem. Whether you have participated in the 2 previous events or not, if you own one of these NFTs, you will receive the airdrop. I will leave you the page down below, the minting site, which is something that you need to go and check. It has a price of 0.05 Ethereum, meaning that at time of recording is approximately $120 over on the Arbitrum chain, and it ends in 4 days. So it's very important you go and do it in 4 days time, otherwise you're not able to go and get it anymore. The other update is regarding the Bungie exchange. There are $420 up for grabs. The Bungie community members with the jolts, here's your chance to get some sugar. Check out the Discord for more, so make sure to go and check them out. But this is the photo that they're talking about. There's a raffle channel of your possibility to get a chance to get 420 USDC straight into your wallet to spend on whatever your heart desires. To enter, simply click the button below over on their Discord situation, and your entry will be registered. Entry will close and the winner will be announced on Monday at 11:30 a.m. UTC time. So depending when you're watching this video, could be either good or bad, but it is up to you. If you're late, turn on notification bell on because you did miss a nice juicy update of a possibility to win $420. Following up, we got the other airdrop to go and claim, and this is the nuts airdrop. Is the Terranuts Wi-Fi over here, which has quite a good community, so I do believe some of you are into it. The token is live now and the airdrop is claimable. The tokens are locked and need to be vested for 90 days for fully be unlocked. This is to prevent whales from selling, it's to prevent the market from crashing, and I do kind of respect it, yes and no, depending on how much you have. Some people that really farm this could potentially be upset with it, other people could not be, but make sure to go and get it. There were mainnet and galaxy and layer 3 quests as well, so always important to go and follow up the layer 3 quest and the galaxy quest when we go and do it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy these videos. The crypto situation, the crypto scene is a little bit slowing down. There's not so much to talk about, but I do try to take you everything that you need to know on a daily basis. With that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.